Alright guys, so welcome back to a brand new video. I know as you read by the title, this is part 3 of the Lawnmower build series. Well, it's time to say goodbye to her. She did me well. Don't really got a use for her. I kind of got bored with it. It's just, I don't know. I don't really want to do it anymore. I just lost interest, so I'm going to put it all back together in this video. We're going to fix it the way it was. It runs, drives great. The steering problem's still an issue. I got it fixed. It works half the time. It just needs a new bolt for it, whatever. I don't care. The next person can deal with it. I'm going to post on my Snapchat story. Go add my Snapchat, my TikTok, or go follow my TikTok. Go follow my Instagram. So you can stay caught up with me and what I do, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. I'm going to put this thing back together in this video, and let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, time to put this battery back in. Battery's okay. It's an okay battery. It's iffy sometimes. It's on and off when it wants to work and when it doesn't want to work, which, go figure, right? But that's okay. I'm just gonna put these back in. Hold on. Hey down. I think it's a 1/2 inch, right? I ain't too sure. 2BH. 2BH? I don't know. It's been a long day, guys. It's a Friday. Make sure to, well, the other video is already going to be posted, but make sure you go check out part 2 of the truck build. Yeah, go check that out. It's a good video. To be honest, I haven't really done much to it, but it feels like I have, okay? Feels like I've done a lot to it, which I spent a lot of time on it that you guys don't really see because I didn't record most of it. But it's a great truck to drive. I don't know. Make sure to go check that out. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment if you want to see more. I'm gonna build a lawnmower. I don't know when, but there we go. Now time to do the next thing. So I kind of forgot how to put everything together. I'm gonna be honest with you. If I'm keeping a buck, I don't know what those are. I think those are 9/16 or 7/16. Maybe. Holy guess. Nope, they're half. Well, they might be in millimeters. Nope, 1/2 inch. I got an iPad, bro. Does this have a nut? Yeah. Oh man, I grabbed the wrong. Half incher. Alright, so what you want to do with this is you want to take this off. There we go. That's her off right there. Those need to, I can't lose those. If I'm being honest with you, I can't lose those. Knowing me, I would lose them. If I'm being honest. This washer needs to stay. This can go. It's just I don't even know what that is. We're gonna throw it over there. Dimes. Okay, so washer stays. Washer stays. Where's the hood at? Oh, the front of this. I forgot. This doesn't even have a piece to connect to. There is no point in even taking that out. It's kind of funny. Okay. This goes in there like that. Okay. Where's the bolt at? This is kind of hard to do by myself, honestly. But I did it by myself, might as well do this by myself too. If I took the dang thing apart, she'll be able to put it back together. I don't even know why I just said it like that, but. Okay. Well. Hold on, guys. I'm going to get this on there. Okay, now we got to put these, I don't even know what you want to call them, arms back on. They go right here, or, wait, yeah, I think they go right here, and then they connect right here where these bolts are, so yeah, now I gotta take this off, and then yeah, let's get to it. Alright, let's do this. Gotta take these off first. Then, I take 2 washers off. Yeah, pretty sure they go like this. Wait. Yeah, like this. and they just go in there. Yep, Rooney. Alright, washer, then net. Always put your washer on before you nut, or you put your nut on. Timeout, pause. I didn't mean it like that. Cut that out, please. But yeah. Alright, got that on. Now time to undo this bolt if I freaking can. Oh wait. Oh, here we go. That's the right way. Well, I guess I'm a dummy. Because that is not supposed to be like an hour in there. I don't know what its size it is. It's definitely not a half. It might be an 8/16. Holy heck, I was almost right on there. Alright. So it is a 3/8. 7/16. 3/8 bolt with a 7/16 nut. Of course, go fit. Gosh darn. Alright, now we're going to that side. Time to go to the other side. Hopefully this side goes by faster. Okay, so this video gets really laggy for some reason. I have no idea why. It's just how I recorded it and the way it was edited, so yeah. I don't even care. It's not even fully in, to be honest. Like, I really do not care. I'm just trying to get it put together so I can get it going. Because I'd rather try to make some money off of it than just send it straight to the junkyard, which would kind of be a waste of time and money. So if I could sell this thing for around 60, 70 bucks, whatever, I get my money back. Alright, so now everything is put back on it. This is put back. This is where it needs to be. Key's still in it. Doesn't even want to turn on. Whoever buys this, all they really need to do is just belts on. All they need to do is just put a dang battery in it. That's about it. So it really is not. Oh well, it needs new tires, but yeah, it's really not that bad. For 50 bucks, 60 bucks, whatever, you could take it. Yeah. So that'll probably be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like, subscribe button. You know the drill. Blah, blah, blah. Comment. Let me know if you want me to buy an actual lawnmower off Facebook Marketplace and actually build it, unlike this one. This one we didn't really build. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. See you.